Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Leonardo AI server errors in 2026. So if you're seeing a server error message, images aren't generating, or the platform suddenly stops responding, here are some common solutions you can try. First, refresh the page and try your request again. Yeah, temporary server issues can sometimes resolve themselves within a few moments. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can occasionally trigger server-related messages, even when the platform is working normally. If the error continues, sign out of your Leonardo AI account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary account-related issues. Finally, submit a new request after applying these fixes and monitor the results. In many cases, refreshing your session, checking your connection, or waiting for temporary server issues to clear will solve the problem. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Leonardo AI server errors in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.